At Hydrofarm, we are constantly evolving and reflecting. From owning 2 retail stores and a couple of distribution centers 45 years ago, to now being present with over 15 locations around the globe. We own our own brands, we distribute other people's brands, and we manufacture products ourselves. Our customer passion for growing unites us as a team, and together we grow. During this growth, we have transformed who we are. Our market has changed. Our customers are diversified, from cannabis to flowers to food, from soil to lights. We recognize we're not the same as we were, and now we aim to grow forward. Change is inevitable, but growth is optional. Growth is a choice. Growing is not easy. It comes with growing pains and challenges and uncertainties. How we got here made us stronger. Just look back and see all the progress. And this is how we get better and design our future together. We will continue growing together. We grew our foundation and capabilities. We grew our footprint and increased our presence into different markets. And we grew our own brands, our DNA, while growing our distributed brands as well. Rebuilding our foundation starts with our people. People who take risks every day and continue to achieve new levels of personal and professional development. Our people grew within themselves and outside themselves. We believe that each individual in this company that grows makes everyone around them grow together. We believe that each customer that achieves their objectives makes us grow stronger. We believe that each competitor that joins our market makes us grow smarter. And every step along the way, we will continue to grow with integrity and social responsibility to bring innovative solutions, preferred brands, and gold standard service to the complex controlled environment agriculture industry. As a Hydrofarm family, and for many years to come, we'll do that with our people. We will be growing together.